Good morning to all my dearest friends. Welcome to Narana Live Classes. I'm here again with a new assignment related to the chapter Fire, Friend and Foe. Our first question is, what is early man's outlook for fire? The early man might have seen volcanoes or lightning before he started using fire and hence knew it was dangerous and powerful. He knows that it is dangerous as well as powerful, as he have seen many times in the form of volcanoes and lightning. Let's move to the next question. Give some examples of fuel. Some examples of fuel are wood, coal, cooking gas and petrol. And we can divide it into three parts: solid fuels, liquid fuels and gaseous fuels. Let's move to the next question. Why gaps are left between buildings during construction? Gaps are left between buildings during construction to reduce the risk of fire. If they all were connected together, if one building catch fire, another automatically catch it. That's why there is gap between buildings while construction. How has the discovery of fire helped the mankind? How did it help? In which form it helped the mankind? Discovery of fire has helped the early men to cope with nature, to cooperate with nature. It helped them to cooperate with nature. It also helped them adopt a settled mode of life. Previously, they were moving here and there according to the seasons. If there's winter, automatically they move to a place which is little bit warm from that. But once they just knows about the fire, or they invented fire, you can say, they were just staying on that same place with the help of fire to keep them warm. They were using fire to keep them warm. They were using fire to cook their food or to catch their prey also. How is a fire a good servant? Fire is a good servant when kept under control. Fire also helps us to do many things in most of our homes, as we can cook food with the help of fire, or different kinds of things are there, like we are using electricity, but only when it is our servant. There is an idiom also, fire is a good servant but a bad master. As you can see in this picture, when it is a servant, it is serving you in the form of cooking food for you, but once it is just out of your control, it could take this kind of formation. Before fire brigade were set out, how did people try to put out fire? When fire brigade was not there, then how people were trying to put out fire? Before the fire brigade came into the picture, means when they were not here to help us, then people used to extinguish fire forming a human chain. They just creating a chain of humans, like they were passing buckets to one and other, and in this way they were just trying to put out the fire. Our next question is, why can't we use water to put out some fires? Why we cannot use water on every kind of fire? We cannot use water in case of oil and electric fires. Oils float over water and cannot be extinguished using water. If you will use water on the oil, it will spread all around and it will take a huge, it can create a huge destruction. It is also a good conductor of electricity. What? Water. Water is a good conductor of electricity and puts the life of the man spraying it in danger in case of electric fire. See, if any kind of short circuit is there, and if that people is going to use water on that, it will surely a death warrant for that person who is using water on the electricity. So never use water. Never use water on this kind of fire, like cylinder, electric and oil. If there is fire with the help of oil, if there is a fire in this gas cylinder, or if there is a fire in electricity, never use water on these kind of fires. Our next question is, what is the role of firefighters? Firefighters are given training on various skills to minimize the damage. They always try to reduce the amount of damage. They put out fire and also give first aid. They just trying to put out fire as soon as possible, and they could give first aid to the person who are affected with this fire, who were affected with this fire. I hope this assignment is clear to you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.